Good evening guys. So, papunta kami ngayon, Batangas because tomorrow is Papa Manuel's birthday. Ayoko na sana mag-vlog kaso lang sabi ni kasama ko, sabi sayang naman daw. Tsaka wala rin pupunta rin kami sa mga lugar-lugar para makapture daw yung mga happy moments ng family namin. Why not i-vlog na lang? So tama nga naman. And then ayun, kaya walang intro. Na gano'n lang kami, nag-stop lang kami for dinner and nagpagas na rin. So ayun, hanap muna kami ng parking ng kasama ko to. And we're gonna go to Jollibee mami or Chowking? What? We're gonna go to Jollibee or Chowking kasi wala namang ibang dinner, so resto. So ayun, dun lang. And ayun, dun lang. And ayun, kita-kits mamaya pagdating dun sa area or venue ng pag-i-stayan namin. Ano ay mami?
Pagdating sa resort.
Hindi, anong resort yung pangalan?
Club Balay Isabel.
Club Balay? Ayun, dun daw sa Club Balay Isabel. Parang balay ni Isabel. So ayun, see you later guys. Bye. At ang nagwagi Jollibee for dinner, mga bata. Bye for now guys. Wait lang sir, inaanap lang ID ni Ma'am Willian. Gabi na kami nakarteng. Yung sa kabila yun? Balay yun?
Yang po yun? Red Doors?
Red Doors.
Red Doors po, Red Doors.
Red Horse?
Hindi Red Doors.
Red Doors.
Parang official po siya nitong Balay Isabel.
Pero balay yun?
Sofia.
Balay Sofia.
Balay Sofia.
Okay.
Pero pinalta na po ng Red Doors.
Okay.
Papirma na lang po sa lobby bago po kayo mag-final check out.
Sige po.
Pass na po yan. Dulo po
Sa lobby, eto.
Opo.
So hindi pwedeng walain, no? So sir, thank you
Salamat din po.
Sige po.
Welcome po.
Thank you. Mamaya na lang guys. And this is the Charin. Angas lods. At ayun nga guys, may kinakailangan kaming bilhin sa labas. So magkakaroon tayo ng chance ngayon na ikutin ang villa. Ayun. Yeah, good morning guys. And papunta na kami ngayon sa pool. Di ba pag-try ako Hindi, doon yung lake Ito yung isang pool nila. Medyo maliit pero solo mo lang dito. Ito yung basketball court nila. Okay dito para may activity pa. Can play basketball, lawn tennis, badminton, ano pa siguro, Dito yung papuntang church eh. Ito. Ito yung information. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, laki. Ito na yung lake sa likod. Ayan. Tignan namin sa may lakeside.
Here.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm Kuya. But I'm not.
Again. Today on Evan Storm, and then
We have our sisters Marcus. Yeah, we are racing.
we are racing.
Yeah, with Marcus. Yeah. I down.
Hey, where's your monster truck?
Aha. Daddy. Daddy.
Wow.
Daddy.
You? Oh, oh, buon ka na.
Ayun pa siya.
Again.
Go!
Boom!
Wait, I want different when we go down.
Aha. No. Boom! Come on, mami, come here. Ayan, itong sasakyan mo pag dito sa loob. Pwede kang mag-ikot. Be,
Papa and Jared.
Rodsky, and we are the Pad Fam. Later, guys.
Yes.
Is that your hotel
No, it was
with a race car?
your building.
Why is there's no wheel?
Wait,
Hmm?
wait. It's done.
It's done?
It's not done, baby. Here's my broken bell.
Do you guys love Daddy? Hmm? You guys love Daddy?
Yeah,
Hmm? I love you. Kuya,
I love you.
how about you, baby?
I love you.
Okay, thank you.
I love you.
Hi, Mommy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love
Made you think that I would always stay. I said some things that I should never say. Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine.
na mo ng Club Balay. Saan ang resort? And for $299 ito yung diba?
Yung ka makaraho.
Where's your fish? Well, mag-fish shy. Come on, let's go.
Mommy, Daddy.
Yeah?
Yes, you the jungle.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you cook the fortune.
Wow. Fishing well daw to. Maglagay ka ng 1,000, kukunin ko. Solid dito. Ano? Super, ano? Nature. And this is their church. So try natin pumasok, no? Tingnan natin. Wow. Solid. Sobrang ganda, guys. I like it. Ayan, o. Ooh. Wow. Lord, sorry kung may magagawa ko pero I'm just trying. Solid ganda. Taas pa. Pero syempre hindi kami pwedeng pumasok sa taas. And again. Yehoo! Maliligo ulit kami. Kasi masarap maligo. Umulan. Say hi, baby.
Bukos na na. How old are you, baby? How old are you daw? How old are you?
Hi.
Daddy, let's go back and put the camera. It's your bot.
Max altitude reached.
Shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days
Wala pa na
can't
akong
be
tangdero. Kinatao ko ron.